Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. Let's talk about bar section series. Today, we're gonna distribute some bar sections and bar series based on a circular shape. Let's start with the bar section series. We are here in the bar section menu. We're gonna create a new series on a circle. Set the diameter, for example, to 10 millimeters. Bar's number is 12 and radius 40. Create the series. Right. Next, create a new bar that has 600 centimeters length, one bar, and diameter is 12 millimeters. Actually, let's rotate it. Create bar. Nice. Then we need to link these section series to the outside bar. So let's select, right click, section bar, link bar, and click on the outside bar. Now the number is 12. Alright. The next step will be a new bar series. We should link it to the section series, and you will see why in a second. When I generate the bar series, as you can see, the bars themselves will match the position of the bar sections. Basically, this bar series creates a side view for the section series. And because we've linked all these to each other, if I change, for example, the number of bars from 12 to 9, this will take effect everywhere else. As you can see, here shows 9 bars and the bar series changed as well. And to complete this reinforcement, let's add a steel coil around these vertical bars. Let's go to stirrups, coil, external diameter is this one, height is 600, and distance is 15. Number 10, diameter 8, create bar. Okay, and let's create the inside stirrup as well. And that's it. We've created a reinforcement for a circular column. I hope I could help some of you with this information. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have questions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.